Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Freevee application into your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. Any device running an Android operating system will work well with this method. I want you to go into Apps and open your download application. We'll be using the code method and we'll be using that code method on the download application. Now, if you do not have this application already, check the link in the description for a video that will show you exactly how to get it. When you have it, click on it to get in, and you'll be prompted to put in the code. The code for the Freevee application is 7632591. Verify this code and ensure it is correct. I'm taking my time here, so you should take your time here as well. If this code is wrong, you are not going to download the Freevee application. So now that you have the code correct, click on the go button and be patient to be redirected. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Now we'll be redirected to the MediaFire application or Wire website, and on this website you see the download button to the bottom right. Automatically the download has begun, and just be patient for the progress bar to complete loading. When the download is complete, you can click on the install button to install the application. You could, if you wish, click on the delete button after that to delete the package file, and your application will be successfully installed on your Android TV, TV box, or Google TV. That has been it for this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy.